Okay, so now we have these three sewn together, these two, and all the rows. So now we can do one or two things. We can take and sew these ones together. These two rows we could put together, these two, or we can add this row to all of them, and then we will have long seams to sew for the other ones. So I'll show you what that looks like, just sewing these ones. So what you would do, you would take and put this one on top of that one on top of that one, and that one on top of that one, and then you would sew these together. Sew this one and sew that one. And then when you're done, you're gonna have 3 long strips, and that is where I do pin. These ones I won't pin. I'll just take this to the sewing machine. I'll just match up the top, match up the bottom, and sew. Match up the top and the bottom and sew. Match up the top and bottom and sew. But when I come back to do this one, I will pin, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna sew these rows together, and I'll be back.